Greetings everyone. I'm going to talk as fast as I can here because I know that time is precious, and I certainly don't have all the time that I'd like to have for this. I just saw a Renato video. I don't know when he made it. It was a repost. I think it was reposted without permission, or a claim that it was a publicity stunt to make it look like he hadn't reposted it. But in any case, I saw it. Seemed to be something kind of recent. He was saying how he didn't take a shower, and he hadn't done much else except, you know, be attached to his laptop and try not to miss any videos. And I believe referring to his work, his volunteer work on VLOGGERHEADS. He is the key admin on there. Am I going to put this on both sites? I don't know yet. I'm considering it. This is definitely for VLOGGERHEADS. Whether or not it goes on one of my YouTube channels, we'll see. If you don't like this video, I will encourage you to come back to hear other subjects which are off the topic of our virtual interactions. Anything that has to do with real-world stuff. I'm going to be talking about nationality and the Olympics events that are still going on. I'm going to be talking about the Russian-Georgian fiasco and what I really think of that, as I've gathered some more information and other people's opinions. Then also back to the online topics, I'm going to do a vlog about the YouTube partnership. This, you know, is a vlog that I don't think I'll put on YouTube. Not for the fact that it's illegal or not allowed, but just for the fact that I think we can more safely and ethically discuss it on VLOGGERHEADS. And that's what I want to use VLOGGERHEADS for. You know, I'm trying to think of reasons to justify my further involvement on VLOGGERHEADS. Obviously, that's on all of our minds, whether or not it's a promised land or whatever. That's just facetious. So YouTube partnership vlog will be coming up from me, and many of us on VLOGGERHEADS are YouTube partners. I don't know how many. It would be nice to have a good count and see what the percentage of VLOGGERHEADS are in partnership with YouTube, which is kind of a curious jumping of ship, as it were, but not really, because as many people have stated, we're not giving up our YouTube presence. We are just kind of creating a parallel existence, and I think for good reason. I think that we are allowed to do that. I think that that will make the individual become more aware of itself, himself, herself, whatever the case would be. So getting back to my VLOGGERHEADS position here, it's an alternate universe, quote unquote. What do I mean by that? That's because we can be different people if we choose to be on here. We can be reincarnated, and we're certainly being renewed at a new place. And I want to take that opportunity for personal growth and evolution. And I encourage everybody to do that. This is a very serious video, by the way. This is the very serious me. I'm not pulling any punches. This is straight talk. I'm not trying to joke around. I'm not trying to be all palsy-walsy, or I'm not trying to be doing anything for the spectacle or the drama. And speaking of which, the drama, I'm going to choose not to be pulled into all that. I have stated an opinion on some of the things that are going on, but as far as my further involvement in it, I'm not going to do that. It's just not appealing to me. If that's all the people want to do, then more power to them. Maybe they have a reason to do it. I don't have a reason to do that on here. I don't have a reason to stir up drama to attract attention to myself. What I want to do, though, is my personal protocol is to send everybody a friend request, bar none. I've sent out about 150. That's all the time that I had so far. And why am I sending out a friend request? Because that's the way this site operates. We are not forced to be anybody's friend. But the whole inspiration of Loggerheads is that everyone would be friendly with everyone else. So we can make the choice of that. So when you get on here, you've got hundreds of people that you can choose to take the time to make friends with. And that's what I'm trying to do. So when you get a friend request from me, if you accept it openly and immediately, I want to thank you, because that's a reciprocal gesture that you can do towards me. Now, if you don't accept it immediately, that's your own policy. That is your own personal choice of how to interact with somebody. Maybe you want to wait and see what I do. Maybe you want to wait and get to know me. Maybe you want to see if I start up a conversation on one of your videos. That's fine. That's fine. I mean, it could take days or weeks. Doesn't matter to me. But I have sent a friend request to a lot of people who haven't gotten back to me yet. Not a lot, just a few dozen. And we'll see how it goes. Well, what I am obviously referring to is the fact that people like to bring baggage. But the problem with bringing baggage or keeping grudges going on here is that we're shitting on Vloggerheads that way. And I don't think any one of us really want to be shitting on this new opportunity. Let's take the chance, take a risk, and accept everybody as a new person until they screw up on here. And then it will be verified that there's no reason to be friends with that person. I want to make a quick comparison as I conclude. Utopia in relation to Vloggerheads. Vloggerheads is new, but Utopia has been around for almost 2 years.